Thursday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. We have had overcast most of the day. This fog has been sticking around and getting thicker tonight. Hey, bud. And it's a bit chilly. He's coming inside again tonight. So I hope everybody has had a amazing Thanksgiving and ate a lot and is sitting around wondering why they ate so much. Hello, ladies. Yeah. Yeah, buck. Go check the eggs, scoop the poop. Sounds like everybody's lining up to go to bed. You guys got food, so that's not what it is. Yep, they're just lining up to go to bed. Excuse me, guys. Pardon me. Let's go. Make a hole. Make a hole. Make a hole. Make a hole. Thank you. Buck. Move your butt. All right. Give me a second. Definitely chilly tonight. It's kind of interesting because right now temperature's down to about 42. Once the girls come in here, all of them, this place will heat up to about 55 degrees, 56 degrees. Excuse me, guys. Pardon me. There, you got 2. That's 3, 4. That's 6. 7, 8. Excuse me, ladies. 9. Well, 9. We'll take it. We will take it, right, ladies? Here's my rusty senior up in her place. What was that? What was that? Was that a yawn? Okay. Wow, it's thick fog. I remember one time growing up as a kid and driving to school, and the fog was so thick I had to open the door and look down and see the road line to get to school. It was that thick. It was incredible. Hey, bud. Ready for your treats, bud? Yeah. So I went in here today and fluffed up that bed. He's been sleeping up on the 2nd floor. And so he would go into it, but then he just laid on top of it again. Well, he'll do what he wants. Hey, Mama. So, Princess Buttercup. Question for the chicken tenders out there. What do you guys believe is quarantine length? Like, how long should she stay in quarantine? I always do 2 weeks. But she's showing no signs after a week of any sicknesses or illnesses. So I'm thinking maybe this Saturday putting her with the big girls. Let me know in the comments what you think. Buck. So this coupe has the flat panel heater up there. I checked it this morning about 2, and it was 43 degrees in there. And I checked the trend, and it stayed between 40 and 43 most of the night. I've got it on a thermostat. Here you go, friend. Hey, that's my hand you're biting. Why are you biting my hand all of a sudden? Am I not giving you enough treats? Oh, I see. There we go. My beautiful. Oh, don't touch me while you feed me. Happy chickens. Well, we got 3 of them. It looked a little funny. Not bad. Not bad from the ladies. So definitely a chilly night. I do have to work tomorrow because we're not at 95% or some BS. I don't know. I'm kind of done with the company. They're kind of showing the true colors. They don't want to improve the property, it seems. I mean, it needs. I know it's not making the money they wished, but you're not going to make the money if you don't spend the money. So I don't know. I've got things to think about on that one. And I think on that note, I'm going to go get a fire going. Let my kitty cat in and get warm. Y'all stay safe. Have an amazing night.